Good morning, student. In our last topic, we have studied about physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle. Today, we will study about component of physical fitness. There are five components of physical fitness: strength, speed, flexibility, endurance, and coordinative ability. Strength. Strength is an ability of a muscle to overcome resistance, or we can say it is the amount of force a muscle can exert. How much force your muscles can exert? आपका आपका मसल कितना फोर्स लगा सकता है टू ओवरकम द रेजिस्टेंस, टू ओवरकम द अपोजिट फोर्स. Strength. There are two type of strength: static strength and dynamic strength. Static means fixed, from a fixed point, and dynamic means motion. Static strength is also known as isometric strength. Iso means same, metric means length, same length. Static strength is the ability to act against resistance from a single or one position. Means static strength is the ability of a muscle to overcome a resistance from a single position. एक सिंगल पोजीशन से एक सिंगल पोजीशन से ओवरकम टू ओवरकम द रेजिस्टेंस, उस रेजिस्टेंस को ओवरकम करना है फ्रॉम अ single position. For example, pushing a wall. In pushing a wall, there is no movement. The length of the muscles remain the same. In static strength, the muscle does not change. The length of the muscle does not change, and there is no visible movement. There is also no visible movement. For example, while pushing a wall, the length of the muscle does not change, as well as there is no visible movement. Dynamic strength is also known as isotonic. Iso means same, tonic means tension, same tension. It is related to movement. Means dynamic strength is the ability to overcome a resistance. उस resistance को overcome करना है while in motion. Dynamic strength. In dynamic strength, and the movement, there is a movement of the body and muscle movement of muscles can be visible. We can see the movement of the muscles. There are three types of dynamic strength: maximum strength, explosive strength, and strength endurance. Maximum strength, it is the ability to act against maximum resistance. It is the quality of muscle to contract forcefully. It is also known as power. Maximum strength powers means ability to overcome a resistance with maximum force. Means आप उस रेसिस्टेंट को मैक्सिमम फोर्स में ओवरकम करना है. मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ, फॉर एग्जांपल पावर लिफ्टिंग, throwing, wrestling, etc. means maximum strength, using the maximum power to overcome a resistance. This is known as maximum strength. For example, weightlifting. Explosive strength. It is a combination of strength and speed. So explosive strength is the ability to overcome a resistance with high speed के साथ उस resistance को overcome करना is known as explosive strength. Means overcome the resistance को overcome करना with a high speed. कितना जल्दी उस resistance को overcome कर सकते हैं. Or we can say ability of a muscle to perform forceful movement as quickest possible of time. For example, in jumping, while doing in jumping, air act as resistance. Then you have to with a high speed you have to overcome that resistance. Strength endurance is a combination of strength and endurance. So strength endurance means the ability to overcome a resistance under the condition of fatigue. Means fatigue, थके हुए हैं, you are fatigued, you are in the condition of fatigue, then also you have to overcome a resistance. For examples, in swimming, long distance running, cycling, mountaineering. In this condition, swimming or long distance running, in these conditions you are fatigued, आप थके हुए, फिर भी you have to overcome that resistance. Strength endurance, it can be measured through chin up. Speed. Speed, it is the ability to perform movement as fast as possible, or it is the ability to move as fast as possible. Means speed is the ability to perform the movement, किसी भी movement को how fast you can do, किसी भी movement, किसी भी एक्टिविटी को किसी भी एक्टिविटी को हाउ फास्ट यू कैन डू इन अ मिनिमम पॉसिबल टाइम, कम से कम समय में उस एक्टिविटी को करना इज नोन एज स्पीड. देयर आर 4 types of speed: reaction time, accelerations, speed of movement, and locomotor ability. Reaction time. Reaction time, it is the time taken by the body to respond immediately to a stimulus. Stimulus means signals. How fast you can act, how fast you can respond to a signals. Means it means the minimum time, taking the minimum time to respond to a signals. For example, in sprint running, how fast you can react to a signals. If you react fast, then you will be in first position, reacting a signals as fast as possible. Acceleration is the time taken by the body to reach maximum speed. This helps to gain initial speed during action. Means acceleration means the ability to gain maximum speed in a minimum possible time. How fast you can achieve your maximum speed in a minimum possible time. अपने maximum speed को कम से कम समय में अचीव करना. For example, during 100-meter running, in starting point your speed is slow, but after that in finishing point your speed is as fast as possible, your speed is maximum. So acceleration means how fast you can achieve that फिनिशिंग पॉइंट स्पीड, उस लास्ट पॉइंट को, उस अपने मैक्सिमम स्पीड को हाउ फास्ट यू कैन अचीव. स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट, it is the quickness of complete actions or movement, or it is the time taken by the body to perform complete action. Speed of movement. Speed of movement means ability to do a movement in minimum possible time. Doing the movement, उस movement को कम से कम समय में करना. For examples in jumping, kicking. In kicking, how fast you can do that movement in a minimum time. उस movement को कितना जल्दी, कम से कम टाइम में कितना जल्दी आप उसको कर सकते हो. दिस इज नोन एज स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट. Next, locomotor ability. Locomotor ability is the ability to move fast with change of direction. Locomotor ability means doing the movement, अपने movement को doing the movement as fast as possible with change in directions. आपका direction भी change हो रही है, then also doing doing the activity as fast as possible with change in direction. This is known as locomotor ability. Endurance. Endurance, it is the ability to sustain or continue activity, or it is the ability to resist fatigue. Means endurance is the ability to continue an activity for a long period of time without any fatigue. किसी भी काम को, किसी भी एक्टिविटी को लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम तक करना विदाउट एनी फैटिक, बिना थकावट के. डूइंग द एक्टिविटी फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम विदाउट एनी फैटिक, दिस इज नोन एज endurance. For examples in football, hockey, basketball, handball, etc. This playing the football for long period of time, 40 minutes, 60 minutes, etc. without getting fatigue, बिना थकावट के. There are two type of endurance: short term endurance, or we can say anaerobics or muscular endurance, and second, long term or aerobics, or we can say cardiovascular endurance. Anaerobics. Anaerobics means in the absence of oxygen, doing any activity in the absence of oxygen. And aerobics means doing any activity in the presence of oxygen. So short term or anaerobics endurance means this component of endurance is helpful to perform activity for long duration with fast endurance. Means doing the activity for long period of time with fast speed, fast speed. For examples, 100-meter sprint. In 100-meter sprint, you have to run as fast as speed, so you are not able to take oxygen. Therefore, this is known as muscular endurance or anaerobic endurance. Doing the activity for long durations with fast speed in the absence of oxygen. Long term or aerobics, or we can say cardiovascular endurance. This endurance is helpful when the activity is done for long durations and the intensity or speed is slower. Long term means we do this activity in the presence of oxygen. Doing activity for long period of time. In here activity, we are doing activity for long period of time and the speed is slow, and if the speed is slow, then we can take the oxygen. Doing the activity for long period of time with slow speed in the presence of oxygen. For example, road cycling, cross country, marathon, etc. In this, the speed is slow and you can take the oxygen, but we need endurance. Long term endurance, aerobic endurance. Flexibility is the ability of joint to move in maximum range, or this is the range of movement to move maximum. Means flexibility is the ability of your joint to move a maximum range. Ability of your joint to move, ability of your joint, आप अपने joint को how much you can stress. Ability to stress your joint as possible as. Flexibility is flexibility vary from joint to joint due to its structures surrounding, adjoining ligament, tendon and muscles. And flexibility is different from joint to joint. जैसा joint हैगा उसी के अनुसार उसकी flexibility होगी. Flexibility means the ability of your joint to move in maximum range. अपने joint को how much you can stress. there are two type of flexibility: passive flexibility and active active flexibility. Passive flexibility. Passive flexibility, it is the ability of joint to move in maximum range with external help. Examples: stretching with partners. Okay, means passive flexibility means to ability ability means ability of joint to move in maximum, अपने joint को maximum range तक move करना with the help of external, with the help of partners, etc. And active flexibility means without external help, performing the flexibility without any external help, doing doing the flexibility self. Active flexibility, there are two types: statics and dynamic. statics statics जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, statics means fixed and dynamic means motion. So static flexibility means performing the flexibility from a fixed point. For examples: chakrasan, toe touching, side bending, etc. means um, performing a flexibility, joint movement, ability of your joint to move in maximum range, अपने joint को maximum range तक खोलना from a fixed point. For example, chakrasan. Dynamic flexibility, dynamic means motion, so dynamic flexibility is the flexibility performed while in motion or movements, means performing the flexibility while in motion. For examples, in gymnastic. Coordinative ability. Coordinative ability or agility, it is the ability of body to perform movement with perfection and efficiency, or it is the ability to change the movement or direction in shortest time without getting unbalanced, means coordinative ability. Coordinative ability is the ability to do movement, किसी भी movement को करना with perfection and efficiently, अच्छे से with perfection without getting unbalanced, बिना unbalance हुए उस movement को करना with perfection. This is known as coordinative ability, means changing the movement or changing the direction in shortest पॉसिबल टाइम, कम से कम टाइम में अपने मूवमेंट को चेंज करना, अपने डायरेक्शन को चेंज करना विदाउट गेटिंग अनबैलेंस. The persons who have proper strength, endurance, flexibility, they have better coordinative ability. Coordinative ability, there are 6 type of coordinative ability: adaptive ability, balance ability, combinatory or coupling ability, kinesthetic ability, and rhythmic ability, and orientation ability. Adaptive ability. Adaptive ability, it is the ability that enable modification of motor activity on the base of comparisons or anticipation of new or changing conditions while performing activity, means adaptive ability. जैसे कि नाम से है एडप्ट मीन्स एडप्ट करना, एडजस्ट करना. सो एडप्टिव एबिलिटी मीन्स एबिलिटी टू एडजस्ट और change the movement effectively on the base of change or anticipate change in the situation. अपने movement को adjust करना या फिर change करना according to the changing situation. Balance ability. Balance ability is the ability to keep body or its parts in relatively stable positions. Balance means keeping your body or its parts in a balanced positions while doing the movement. If you are doing any movement, then also keeping your body in a stable position. Example, while doing in gymnastic, Combinatory or coupling ability. Combinatory means combination, combining. It is the ability to put partial movement together into more complex movement. So combinatory means combining, ability to combine बॉडी पार्ट मूवमेंट्स, अपने बॉडी पार्ट मूवमेंट को कंबाइन करना विथ वन एनदर्स फॉर सक्सेसफुल परफॉर्मेंस और फॉर स्पोर्ट्स परफॉर्मेंस. कंबाइनिंग various parts of body movement with one another's so that you can perform your uh, uh, sports best. For examples, in gymnastic, footballs, in gymnastic you have to combine your body part with each others. This is known as combinatory ability. Kinesthetic ability, it is the ability to realize kinetic and dynamic features of movement. Rhythmic ability is the ability that enable to grasp motor movement and express that movement in very coordinated way with graceful action. जैसे कि नाम से है rhythmic, rhythm. So rhythmic ability means ability to understand the rhythm of the movement, उस movement के rhythm को understand करना and then express that movement with the required rhythm. Okay, means to understand the rhythm of the movement and then performing the movement according to that rhythm. This is known as rhythmic ability. And next, orientation ability. Orientation ability, it is the practice of coordinated exercise to respond a complex movement and activity. Orientation ability means it is the ability of a person to adjust himself as per the time and condition of place. Means अपने आप को एडजस्ट करना टाइम और कंडीशन के अनुसार. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन प्ले ग्राउंड ही हैज़ टू एडजस्ट हिमसेल्फ at the time and according to the condition. Component of health related fitness. First is cardiovascular endurance or heart and lung endurance. It is the ability to exercise the entire body for long period of time. Means cardiovascular endurance means the ability to exercise, the ability of our body to exercise for a long period of time, and for this we require strong heart, healthy lungs, clear blood vessels so that it can supply the body with fresh oxygen. Therefore, this is also known as heart and lungs endurance. And cardiovascular endurance can be measured through miles or the pace testing. Cardiovascular endurance means ability of your body to do a exercise for long period of time, and this is possible if your heart and lungs is strong. Muscular strength. Muscular strength is the ability, it is the amount of force you can put forth with your muscle. Muscular strength, muscle and strength means ability of your muscle to overcome a resistance. How much force your muscle can produce. The persons who have more strength, for examples, weightlifting, lifting the weight. The persons who will have more strength, he will easily lift a weight. To measure the muscular strength, for measuring muscular strength, doing push-up. Muscular endurance. Muscular endurance means the ability to use the muscle for long duration of time and without getting fatigue. Muscular endurance means the ability of your muscle to do the activity for long period of time without getting fatigue. बिना थकावट के लंबे समय तक काम करना. How much your muscle can do the activity for a long period of time without getting tired. People with good muscular endurance are likely to have better posture. The persons who have better muscular endurance, they have better postures, less back pain, less fatigue, etc. And muscular endurance can be improved by doing repetition exercise, and muscular endurance can be measured through number of sit-ups. Flexibility. Flexibility is the ability of your joint fully, means flexibility is the ability of your joint to move in maximum range. Means stretching, how long, how much stretch, to stretch your joint, to move your joint as long as possible. अपने joint को कितना खींच सकते हो, this is known as flexibility. And flexibility is measured through sit and reach test or the trunk lift test. Body composition. Body composition is the percentage of body weight, that is fat, compared to body tissue such as bones and lungs. Body composition means the percentage of your fat, percentage आपके body में कितना percent fat है as compared to body tissue, such as bones and lungs. The persons who have high percentage of fat, they are likely to be ill and have a higher death rate than the lean peoples. The persons who are obese, then they have more health related persons. By doing exercise and healthy eating habit, they can improve their body compositions. And body compositions can be measured through body mass index. Body mass index means weight upon height. So component of health related fitness are cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body compositions. Today we had completed our third unit, physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle. Physical fitness means the ability of a person to do a daily routine work without any fatigue, and after doing that work he has more energy to do a work without getting fatigue. Wellness means being healthy and free from disease. Lifestyle means the way of living, how you live What is your daily routine work? Healthy lifestyle means following a good healthy lifestyle, means eating healthy, doing regular physical exercise, avoiding junk food, drinking sufficient waters, etc. And component of physical fitness, there are 5 components of physical fitness: strength, endurance, speed, flexibility, and coordinative ability. Strength means ability to overcome a resistance, means power. Endurance means ability to continue an activity for long period of time. And speed means ability to do any activity as fast as possible, अपने एक्टिविटी को कम से कम समय में कंप्लीट करना. And coordinative ability means ability to perform the movement with perfection and efficiency, or changing the movement in shortest time without getting unbalanced. अपने movement को change करना, direction change करना without getting unbalanced. And the component of wellness is physically well, mentally well, socially well, emotionally well, intellectually well, and spiritually well. These are the component of wellness.